Kulani on the ropes. You got to pick yourself, she said. Stop.
Oh well, that was a tough round. Both boxers putting in the effort there. That would have been tiring.
That would have been tiring, especially after this exchange. My goodness, going hammer and tongs. And as you can see, Gulani was on the ropes. And that's where Copeland needs to keep her. She needs to manage that center of the ring because she'll be able